Unit 10. Story time. Listening 10. Read and listen.
Grandpa's new bike. Anna and Jack were staying at their grandpa's house for the weekend. They were looking at some old photos when they found a photo of a teenage boy with a fantastic new bike.
Who's that boy, Grandpa?
Asked Anna. Grandpa looked at the photo and laughed.
That's me, over 50 years ago,
he said.
I really loved that bike. It's in my shed, but it's old and broken now.
Grandpa went shopping. While he was out, Jack had an idea.
Grandpa hasn't got a bike. Let's mend his old bike for him,
he said. Jack and Anna ran to Grandpa's shed and looked around.
Look,
said Anna, and pointed to an old bike.
It's a great bike,
Jack said.
But look, one of the wheels has fallen off.
Anna found some tools in a drawer and they mended the wheel. They cleaned and polished the bike so it looked new again. They worked very quickly because they didn't have much time. Then they heard a voice outside. Grandpa was back from the shops.
Anna, Jack, where are you?
it's Grandpa.
Said Anna. Anna and Jack went outside and showed Grandpa the bike. He was amazed and very happy.
Oh, that's my old bike,
He said.
but it looks new and shiny.
Yes, we mended it.
Said Jack.
We put the wheel back on and polished it for you.
Grandpa was very pleased and excited.
Let's ride our bikes together this afternoon.
He said. Anna and Jack were very happy. They all rode their bikes to the park and had a wonderful picnic in the sunshine.